Hi everyone, I want to address Emily Blunt's clicking sounds regarding the new Steven Spielberg film Disclosure Day.
Good morning, Kansas City. Let's take a look at today.
This clicking sound is 100% real. In our film The Experiencer's Full Disclosure, one of our experiencers reported this exact same sound while they were on a craft 14 years ago.
It sounds like clicking. They're like clicking at each other. Okay.
Check out more in our film The Experiencer's Full Disclosure and subscribe and follow for more updates of special events.